I saw what you did back there. What you did to those people. My people. Well, are you going to say anything? Speak to me, damn it.
Don't touch me.
Now you want to talk. Tell me, why did you do such a thing? Me? Do what such thing? What could I have possibly done? I won't tell much, but listen. Don't interfere with my business unless you want to end up like your people. Stop IT. Do you have any manners? Whatsoever? You damn devil. It's rude to point and call names. You just want trouble, huh? Calm down, will you? Jeez. Now, get the hell up and leave this building. Alright, I'll leave. By the way, when was the last time you saw your partner?
Oh my God!
I swear if you lay your damn hands on them, I'll do worse to you. Was a nerve struck.
FBI, open up!
You leave my partner out of this. Also, those people you mentioned, they failed to give back the money they owe. They can't escape a contract. The hell are you doing? Get off me. You know a bit too much of me. You have to go. Sorry this had to be the outcome of your actions, but you left me with no other option, unfortunately. Great. A camera ... Guess I'll have to keep it a lower profile now. I'll admit, I feel sorry for those who are actually innocent in this criminalized town. But by contract, I cannot allow those who choose to interfere and get in my way. Even if it may be a loved one. And by contract, I can't leave no matter how badly I want to. And due to the kind of business I have to take care of, I am putting my partner at risk too.
Man,
be
I'm
safe.
dead.
I'll be on my way.